Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Roblox app on your Windows laptop or desktop computers. Now, it is very simple. For this, you have to open up your browser at first. So just go ahead and open up any of your browser. Then be on google.com, and here on Google, just search for download Roblox. And just search for it. Here, you'll find this first website called download Roblox from roblox.com. Just click on this. Then you'll be brought to this website. From here, just click on download Windows app and just download it anywhere on your system. Then after that, just click on the Roblox player installer.exe after it has been downloaded. You can minimize your browser from here. Then just wait, Roblox will be installed. And after that, you can just sign into your account and you can play your Roblox game from here. And basically that is how to download and install the Roblox app on your Windows laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.